You may also make your schedule via the Schedule Builder, again in that Manage Classes tile in the Hub. Select the correct term, as well as the appropriate career, and here you may add courses. Here we have added Math 142 and Physics 107. Continue adding courses until you have all of the classes that you will need for the spring term. You can then add breaks if perhaps you work. And this will avoid any schedules that conflict with your working hours. Click Generate Schedules to create the appropriate schedule. You may then view the various options. Once you're done, click Send to Shopping Cart when you've picked the schedule that you like. This will send the courses to the Hub system so that they will be in your shopping cart and ready for you to register.